What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rebecca from Senfeng Leiming Laser. You must have heard our all-out campaign for super high power laser cutter with laser power ranging from 12 kilowatts, 15 kilowatts and 20 kilowatts. Today I will give you a detailed tour. Let's go check it out. Finding a solution that can cut metal efficiently to keep up with the ever-growing demand for production, as well as reducing costs, seems to be quite a high bar. Laser cutting is now one of the most widely used manufacturing processes in the world. If you are upgrading your equipment to reduce cost, increase work efficiency, and improve cutting quality, look no further. Choose our super high laser power, action at least 10 steps ahead of your competitors.
Senfeng Leiming provides you with two main series of super high power laser cutters, H series and ultra large series. We've developed the fourth generation of H series, designed for super high laser power with full protection to meet CE standard. Let's see some of our models of H series. With different size of working tables, we have 30-15H, 60-25H, and 80-25H available for you to choose. Another series is our ultra-large laser cutting machine with super large working table. Moreover, bevel cutting is available for this series, to cut with bevel edges, which saves time and labor for subsequent processes such as milling and grinding.
For super high laser cutting machines, we have equipped them with the highest level of almost everything that runs this big fella.
We have an independent production workshop for machine bed. Many important processes such as bed welding, heat treatment, shot blasting, cleaning, painting are all carried out within the factory. So we can strictly control the quality of the bed and ensure timely delivery. Also, the machine bed is hollow inside, which helps prevent it from deformation by heat after long-term use, which significantly improves the service life and lower the maintenance cost. Moreover, the application of graphite and red copper can help to resist the damage from high-power lasers. High-power machines also create quite some smoke, and that's all being taken care of by our technology of partition dust removal system. I don't need to say more. Let's see how effective this function is. Now, let's take a look at our core components, the brain of the machine, our CNC system. It has some new features such as flash piercing, intelligent edge spotting, round plate centering to improve efficiency and accuracy.
We adopt top brand components, including super high power laser source and autofocus laser head. With this great combination, we can achieve top speed with stable performance and excellent cutting quality. No more words needed. Let's watch the cutting show. Wow, that is so impressive. We also have a comprehensive after-sales service system 24/7 online to ensure everything from your daily operation. We also provide free training and installation on-site.
Our R&D department has been devoted to the research of new processing methods to provide tailor-made solutions for all of our customers in shipbuilding, aerospace, automotive, heavy metal processing industries, which offer a huge range of benefits and uses.
After going through all these details with me, are you interested in buying one? Contact us. See you next time. Bye-bye.